Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video today. This is probably the first one here done on the channel, obviously, but anyways, here's what I got in the mail today, at the time of recording this video. It's something that's in this box. I do have my box cutter here, so let's go ahead and take a look for ourselves. So, unbox something here. Be safe with a knife, especially a box cutter for this one. I mean, you may accidentally cut yourself, but I'm an expert, you should say. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, still got a few left in there. Probably skip that. There we go. Don't mind this paper, it's obviously for something. Okay, it's in a in a purple wrap, purple bubble wrap. That's not thought of. Looks like a video card. Well, the name actually is on that little slip, obviously, so it might have been given away, but here it is. Now, this is a card that I've never gotten before, but you can tell that this is an ATI card. So what this is, it's an ATI Radeon 9100. So this is one of not AMD. AMD did acquire ATI later on, but this is one of ATI's video cards back in the day, I guess in like, what, 2002, 2001, 2002 or something like that. But yeah, this is a DirectX 8.1 compliant card. And we could say it's pretty more advanced. Well, I mean, it's a bit more powerful than that GeForce 2 MX400 card that I had in my AMD Compaq, which goes to say I am going to be putting this card in my AMD Compaq, to improve game ability, I guess. And also because since ATI was acquired by AMD, I felt it would be a bit more appropriate to put this into that AMD Compaq, since that has a Athlon processor, and AMD now has the Radeon graphics line. So I figured it'd be more appropriate to do it this way. Also, in the listing, this says it's tested and working. So yeah, let me see if there's any loading capacitors around here. It doesn't look like there's, because I know there's a possibility of capacitors exploding or dying, but seems like this one, the capacitors, they look good to me. They look fine to me. It's not the worst that I've seen. I've seen a lot worse. Because in fact there is one bloody capacitor that's near on the motherboard of my AMD Compaq, which means I had to replace the whole motherboard. But yeah, there it is. It's a Radeon, ATI Radeon 9100, 64 megabytes, DDR, V/D/VO. So the V/D/VO means this one. The V stands for VGA, the D stands for DVI, and VO stands for video in, video out. So it's this right here. So that's S video in and out. So with this special connector here, and this one VGA, that's CRT, and then DVI this one's DVI-D, so it cannot take DVI-I. So yeah, I'd be interested to see this card and put this card into my AMD Compaq to see what it can do. So stay tuned for a follow-up video on this, where we begin to put this card into this AMD Compaq and see how well it performs. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. See ya.